Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, I want to show the best way that you can have your own YouTube studio at your house or anywhere you are. You don't need a lot of things.
Yes!
Can you believe this background is fake? And this one is the real background. So let me show you the way I did it. So I want to show you the way you can record a video anywhere you are as long as your camera is stable. And then you can have a fake background. To have this, I just need you to have only one important thing, which is a tripod stand to hold your phone, so you don't need to make your phone be shaking. So you have to make sure your phone is not shaking. And then after having that one, the rest is just easy. We are going to use tripod. We are going to use one AI for creating the background, and also we are going to use CapCut. That's all. Let's go ahead. So now we are going to start by putting the prompt in the AI. Then the AI will generate the background, and then after the background we move on. So let's go. AI that we're going for creating the background is Leonardo, which is free. So if you don't have if you don't use it, or if you're going to use it for the first time, you would just need to sign up. You can sign up using your email. If you just go to Google, you type Ronaldo, and good thing it's free. Let's say okay, we create an account. You can see now they ask us, do we not sign up or log in with Apple, Google, or Microsoft? So here we are just going to use Google. For easy and the fast way, you just need to sign up with Google. So guys, we can see the dashboard. They ask us image generation, emotion, real-time, canvas. So for us, we just need image generation, right? So let's go. So from here, we just go to image generation. And then you have to give the prompt. What kind of background image do you want? So for us, since it's about YouTube, my prompt will be this. So guys, you see, as you can see, now we have 4 different photos, and it all depends on which kind of photo do you want. And for me, I think the best one, let's pick the first one. So we just download the first one, and then after this, the first face. So now we already get a photo of our background. So the next will be to use CapCut. So guys, as you can see now, we are going to the second step, which is to upload all our video, and then our photo. The photo we generate from Ronaldo.ai into CapCut. So we just come here, and then this is the photo. We just import the photo, and then we import also the video we recorded. So guys, now I import the video. So now you can see I have both two. I have the background and I have the video. So I just import a photo. Maybe I can just make it how I want, depending on the video. So let's just set this one. As you can see now in the CapCut, I have already the photo. And you can zoom the photo the way you want. You can drag it anywhere you want. So let's just put it in the middle. And then from here, we just add our video. So the photo and the video should be like, you have to make sure that they're on the same, to avoid the end. So as you can see now, it's together, okay? So the next is how we are going to remove the background. So for the background, you just we already select the video. You can just zoom it to make it full in the screen. Then you come to here. You come to remove the background. And then for this video, you just click auto removal. Yeah, see counting, it's already 8%. So let's wait to finish removing the background. the video has 6 minutes, so maybe we just have to wait a bit, and then soon after 100 to be done. So maybe if I can play while still removing the background, I can show you the way it is now. As you can see, that creating the background is Leonardo, which is free. So if you don't have if you don't use it, or if you're going to, so guys, just need to, now you can see already I have new background. So if I want, I can just keep it like this. If I want, I can zoom the video maybe to get like any side I want, anywhere I want. So like when you come to the video, like a basic, like the size, if you want, you can just increase the way you want. And then maybe you can just make it small, you can make it big. It all depends on your choice. And from here, if I can play, you can just feel like I was sitting in front of, like, that's the background of my studio, but this is the background. But if the phone is not shaking and stable, and then you can just, you already record the video, you can just remove the background. As you can see, also auto cutout is already applied. So if I can all the way up to the end, as you can see, I already removed it. The next will be to use CapCut. So guys, this is the best way to create the background. You don't need a lot of things. You just need to have the photo, which we generated from Leonardo.ai, and then we need to use CapCut. The CapCut will help us to remove the background from the video. So guys, have good time. See you in the next video. Next video, I want to show you the way you can enhance your audio, because sometimes when you create an audio, maybe there will be some noise outside and you are not using a good microphone, because here I'm using the microphone of the phone. So I want to show you the way you can make more like, feels like you're using the boat like a microphone. So like, how can you enhance the voice? So apart from using CapCut, because no CapCut also you can reduce the noise, you can enhance the audio. Again, I want to show you the best AI where you just drop your audio and then they will do all, and then for you just get the audio you are looking for. So guys, have a good time. See you next time.